Welcome to Kids Kingdom of Fun Learning.
Let's dive into today's idiom and phrase. First up, we have spill the beans, which means to reveal secret information. And then we'll explore up in the air, which describes something uncertain or undecided. Ready? Let's get started with some fun examples. Imagine you have a surprise party planned for a friend. If someone accidentally tells them about it, they've spilled the beans. This idiom is all about sharing secrets, whether intentionally or not. Up in the air is used when things are uncertain or undecided. For instance, when planning a picnic, if the weather is unpredictable, it's definitely up in the air whether you'll go or not. Now you know two fun expressions. Use spill the beans to talk about secrets and up in the air for uncertain situations. Keep practicing and impress your friends with your new vocabulary.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Stay connected and see you all soon in the next episode.